so we have arrived at Santa Luisa and the car park is down the hill, so we're going to it now. Okay, so here we are, this cute place in Gran Couva. Okay, so the car park is a little bit wonky. Check out these ladies here. Car park is slight wonky, however for the most part it's okay. This is the beautiful view. Oh my god, it's amazing. Okay, it's really amazing. Wow. Okay, so we're heading up now to the tea house. So we're heading in. Have some we're trying to get in the sunlight. They have some macaws and stuff. So if you hear that, that's what that is. Alright. It's very, very cute, very rustic, really nice. This is where we enter and it's extremely rustic. Even the steps are very, very cute. A little photo op area here. Very, very beautiful. Oh, and you can have a seat by the outer area here to have a nice view. Okay, so it's quite quaint inside. This is the washroom? Oh my god, this is the washroom, sorry. I thought this was a photo op area.
No, we don't.
God. Lord. Anyways, yeah, so they have some very, very cute seating. And I guess all the stuff that they sell on display here. So pastries, cakes, cute teaware. Yeah. Check this one here. Reading the menu up in here. Wait, did we want to sit here? Really? Oh, I thought you were sitting outside to see the view. Books. And they have an upstairs area. Okay, so I'm going upstairs just to check out the view. But look at it. Oh my god. It looks really good. It is a very, very homey. Oh my god, it's so nice and breezy. Oh my god, it is so nice. The breeze is amazing. Okay, so they have additional seating up here and it's just as nice as downstairs. They have some nice curtains. So you can sit on the edge here as well as other seating here. Oh, it's so nice. Everything is so cute. Everywhere you have a nice view, everywhere. And it's like this kind of tropical, homey, rustic vibe. Nice. That is so beautiful. Alrighty, so they're gonna get the fire started.
Fancy decor. The decoration would be
we only care about the aunties. Ooh.
Nice.
Ooh. Oh my god, we get a nice breeze here. Okay, so we get a nice breeze. Let me show you all the menu. Plus we have this warm fire. Okay, so this is a look at the menu that they have. I think the coffees taste good. They have tea, fresh juice. Let's see what else. Bagel, cake, local fruit wine. And well, we're not here for breakfast, but this is what they have here. Yeah, super cute. Okay, so what we ordered here was a pot of hot cocoa tea. All right. Ooh, looks good. We're gonna try their banana bread. I'll let you know what that tastes. The tea is good. It needs sugar and milk, but it's nice. Hot chocolate, real chocolate. Okay, so I ordered the bagel. It's nice and hot. And I have cream cheese in it. Yeah, so cream cheese and tea. I don't think it's noodle. I think it's just herbs. Yeah. And the banana bread isn't good. Oh my god. I was gonna say I could make a better banana bread. Okay, the carrot. Nah, well that means it's gonna be a little stronger, but no, it isn't good. It was nice. And the tea's nice as well. Okay, so our time here was really lovely. Just like you know, they don't take links or cards, so cash only. So just make sure when you come, you have enough cash. Anyways, it was really nice.
I thought it was really nice. I enjoyed the ambiance. It's very homely.
Homey, yeah. So they are closing at 8, so we're getting ready to go now. But it was really nice, and I highly recommend it.